What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install the wheel spacers for the Supra. Let's do it. Alright guys, here is the Supra. Remember, in the last video I installed the lowering springs. So in this video we're gonna install the wheel spacers. Okay, you can see the wheels are a little bit sunk in, so we wanted a little bit more flush with the fender. Same thing on the rear, you can see it. So I have a 15mm spacer for the rear and 12mm spacers. So but before we install them, let's open the box and let's see how they look. Wow, and these are amazing. These are lightweight. These are aluminum and very light. Wow, I like this. So these two are the 15mm and these are the 13mm. I mean 12, sorry about that, 12mm. 12 and 15. This is the brand, blocks. I'm gonna put the link for this spacers on the description of the video. They have more styles available for more cars, okay, so you can check them out. The link is gonna be on the description of the video. And these are, it comes with the bolts. You see the difference? Yeah, so these are shorter and these are longer. These are for this and these are for this. Okay, so now let's install this on the car. Let's do it. Okay guys, so this is the spacer. This is the 15mm spacer. These are lightweight, so let's see if it fits. Okay, first spacer is on and you can adjust here, so it has to be in the center, so I think there is fine. So now let's put the wheel. Let's see how good it is. Okay, one more thing, if you get the spacers you need to get longer bolts, okay, because the OEM, the originals bolts, won't work anymore because they are not gonna be able to reach all the way. Okay, so these spacers, they come with bolts, okay, but also I'm gonna put a link on the description of the video. If you wanna get just the bolts, I'm gonna put the link for the bolts, just only the bolts over there. Okay, so now let's put this wheel back over there. Wow, big difference. You can see with the spacer and without the spacer. Look. Wow. Yes. Look at this. Look at that. Yes, it's perfect. We'll have to move it a little bit because it has to adjust the height, but it's perfect. Now let's do the front. Okay, now this is the 12 millimeter spacer. And remember, you will need to get bolts or longer studs. Okay, let's put the wheel. Okay, one more thing that I forgot to add. Remember, the wheel spacer need to have this, the center bore piece, this one. If you get the spacer without this, it's gonna be very hard to put the wheel on. It's gonna move. Okay, so remember, the wheel spacer needs to have this center bore piece. Okay, for the Supra I think it's 66.5 millimeters. Okay, so for all other cars it's different, so check which one is the right one for your car before you get the spacers. Okay, let me move the car back and forward so that the suspension will adjust to the right height. Let's move that. Let's move the car. Alright guys, let's see. You can see it. I hope I can see it on the video. Look at that. Okay, let's see that. And let's see that. You can see the wheel is sunk in. You can see it. And then in this side you can see it there. It's flush. Yes. And in here sunk in. Yeah. Yes, so now it's perfect and it looks great. You can see. Alright guys, so the car looks perfect. Perfect. I think I'm gonna leave it like that on the height. I think it's with the spacers now it's better. You can see it. Yeah, I think that's enough. It's good enough. In the future might get air suspension, but for now that's good. You can see it. Wow. Looks amazing. Yeah, looks more aggressive. Yes, love it. Okay guys, let me know what you guys think. The car looks great. It's the perfect specs that I want. and the height. I like it, so I'm gonna leave it in this height for a while, okay? But let me know what you guys think. Put in the comment. Remember, the links for all the products, they're gonna be on the description of the video down below, okay? If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.